In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove duplicate emails in Mozilla Thunderbird. Now to do this, we're going to have to install a add-on because it's the easiest to do it using an add-on. So I'm going to go to the top right and I'm going to click on the three lines to open the menu. And then you want to go to add-ons and themes over here. Then you want to go to any of these pages here and you want to go to find more add-ons to the top and you want to look for remove duplicate messages, okay? Just like this, and then you have to click on this search box. There we go. And as you can see, there's going to be a few tools. I'm just going to use this one, which is called remove duplicate messages, and it's the first one up top. You want to click on add to Thunderbird, and then it's going to pop up this pop-up. You want to click on add, and that's really all you have to do to actually add this add-on. Now you can close these things, and then over here you can see, you can of course find the inbox or the folder where you have duplicates. In my case, I have two same emails over here, which I sent for the purpose of this tutorial. And then you want to right click on your inbox, and as you can see over here at the bottom, it's going to say remove duplicates. So you simply want to click on that, and if there's any duplicates, there's of course going to clear them. Okay, so in my case, it didn't actually recognize these as duplicates because I may have done something different here when I send these, but that's essentially how to do this. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.